Part-time MBA in the School of Management at Swansea is designed to be a strategic programme, so it looks at the way in which aspects of the business fit together. So the number of modules that we study from leadership, finance, economics, strategy, innovation and change, they really suit people from a range of different industries and sectors, so public sector, private sector, not-for-profit, can all benefit from thinking about business in a slightly different way and looking at the critical skills that you develop and the confidence that students will develop from studying at master's level. And we found, and I know from my experience, that really helps students to work more effectively in their organisations and suits and leads into their career development. Each module has 3 elements to it. An online element first that supports the flexible delivery for about 3 weeks or so, and then a face-to-face weekend on a Friday and Saturday where students will come together with the tutors and then really explore ideas in more depth and look at case studies, look at examples, bring their own experience from their workplace into the conversations. And then a second online element then which will support the assessment and sort of supportive material to let them finish the module, which takes around about 6 weeks or so. So each module takes about 8 to 10 weeks to deliver, and then once one module is completed, then students work onto the second one, and over the 2 years of the course then they really develop that kind of rhythm and flow of how the modules work. And it's designed around flexible delivery, so that doesn't mean students are in every week. The program is built around normally around 10 weekends over the 2 years, where students would be in on a Friday, Saturday for the face-to-face delivery, where they're working very closely with the cohort and learning from each other as well as from us as tutors. And each weekend then is supported by online materials before the weekend delivery and after, which introduce the nature and the concepts of the module, and then after the face-to-face delivery sets up assessments and supportive material to really develop the learning that's being put through. So students can come into the campus and they can use facilities outside of those weekends, but it allows them to manage the pressures of work and family commitments, knowing that they've got that structure that they can work through over the 2-year period. If you have any questions about the part-time offer at Swansea, please get in touch. We'd be happy to help, and we look forward to seeing you in the School of Management soon.